We have come over to Ferrari Land just to see what's over here. I'm hoping it's going to be fairly empty. It's up until 10. We got 1 day's entrance with our hotel. We had 3-day entry into PortAventura and 1 day into Ferrari Land. Whoop whoop chicken soup. Just heading over to Red Force, the absolutely massive top hat here at PortAventura. Ferrari Land is definitely modelled on Italy. I've just seen a naked man to my right. I think that's Michelangelo's David with his winky out. But yeah, this is definitely modelled on Italy. Look at those lovely houses, the forced perspective, stolen from Disney. And there's a Ferrari shop. Now this is a very famous building in Italy, but I'm not quite sure what it is. And I know round the corner there's the Colosseum. But for now, I'm more interested in this.
Two hours later.
That was Red Force. What did you think?
That was amazing.
Was it?
Yeah.
I was terrified. It was so fast, it was so high. I've been on Stealth in Thorpe Park. This just does not compare. This seemed to be 3 times faster and twice as high. I don't know what it is, I'll check the stats when I get home, but no. Highly recommended, but it's not something I will be doing more than once on a trip, I don't think. Because I loved it, but I'm still a bit scared of it, if that makes sense. That's how terrifying it was. And that's the sound it makes as they shoot it off at God knows how many miles per hour. And there's the Colosseum. You can tell we're in Italy. I was going to say France and then I was going to say Rome. Finally got to Italy. There's my other car. That's my weekend car. I think we're going to do one last ride. We're going to do the drop tower. And then I think we're going to head back to the hotel. Don't really think Ferrari Land's for me, really. I'm not that mad keen on cars. I suppose if you're a massive car fanatic, it would be great. But no, it's not really for me. Lots of kiddie rides, well, a few kiddie rides and 2 big rides. So we'll give the 2 big rides a go and then we'll shoot off.
1 hour later.
The tower drop is much more gentle than it looks. It shoots you up quite fast initially, but then it just bounces you up and down quite a bit. It's quite nice views. So it's actually much nicer than the one over in PortAventura. I can't remember what it's called, something Condor? Hanukkah Condor? I don't know, I can never remember. I'll put it on the top of the screen there. But yeah, much more gentle than that. So we've actually done the major attractions here in Ferrari Land now. As I say, not really my scene. The kids are just going to go on the Grand Prix, but it's very much a baby ride. Our time at PortAventura is definitely over now. Just stopped off in this restaurant to have a little bite to eat. It's in Italian. Because we're in Italy, I'm having a lovely lasagna and a nice glass of Coke. So yeah, it's over. I'm very, very burnt, so I apologise for the way I look on this video. My face is as tight as a drum. It's screaming out for moisture, so I'm going to lie down, smother myself in aloe vera, and then we'll be going home tomorrow on EasyJet. Bye for now.
Bye for now.
That was the child. He doesn't want to be seen now because he's UGLY. He ain't got no alibi. He's ugly. He's ugly.